Do you wonder if Ariel PODS are safe? I am Dulce and I'm responsible for product safety and compliance at P&G. Ariel PODS are safe, convenient and effective way to clean your clothes and the clothes of your family. And today I'm going to show you how to use them best. They are super convenient. You don't need to measure liquids or powders. You just pop one Ariel POD in the drum before your laundry and then it will quickly dissolve in water. The packaging has been designed with safety in mind. The Secure Click box is an innovative cardboard packaging, thoughtfully designed to be as intuitive and as inclusive as possible for adults to use, thanks to its user-friendly opening, and all of this without compromising on children's safety, which is a critical requirement for Ariel. After use, always close the pack with a click. On the top of the pack, you can find safety instructions to help you learn safe habits. Once you are done, always store it high up, away from children. Simple, safe, and effective. This is how you use Ariel PODS the right way.
Always keep away from children.